Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have the video, now make it ready. Check file size and format because Gmail limits direct attachments to 25 MB. Use MP4 to maximize compatibility. Once done, open Gmail and click Compose so you can move fast. If the file exceeds 25 MB, upload it to Google Drive first. Otherwise, drag the file into the Compose window. Make sure you enter recipients and a clear subject before you spend time on message copy and attachment settings. Now attach the video and configure access so recipients can play it. If you chose Drive, click the Drive icon, pick the file, and then, importantly, set sharing. Choose specific people to limit access or anyone with link to avoid permission blocks. Once attached, add a short message describing the video and use Preview to ensure the thumbnail looks right. Also consider converting to a lower bitrate or trimming if upload time is long. These steps prevent failed deliveries and playback errors. Finish by sending and verifying delivery. Click Send, then watch the upload or attachment progress. Gmail will confirm when the message leaves your outbox. After sending, make sure at least one recipient confirms they can view and play the video. If not, ask them to check spam or their Drive link access. If playback fails or permissions block viewing, change Drive sharing to anyone with link or compress and resend under 25 MB. That single fix resolves most access problems immediately.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.